Howdy folks, and welcome back to Pool School. In today's episode, I'm going to tell you about what I believe is the best and last pool net or leaf rake that you'll ever have to buy for your pool. So what do you say we get to it? Alrighty, before we get started, I want to thank you once again for watching this video. Remind you to like it if you do, subscribe to my channel if you've not done so already, and please share my channel with everyone you know who owns a pool. Also, don't forget to check out my membership website, poolschooler.com. It's going to come across the screen right here, poolschooler.com. It's full of more exclusive members-only content that will help you save even more money servicing your pool yourself. Alrighty, folks, I have 4 reasons why I believe that this 23-inch pool net by ProTuff is the best and last pool net that you'll ever buy for your pool. It's been over a year since I did my first review of this product, and if you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link in the description below this video. You can watch that. But I'm going to try to cover the 4 reasons that I really think this is the best pool net that you'll ever want to own. First and foremost is ProTuff's warranty. Again, it comes in a box. It says 24-inch. Actually, this is the skimmer net. They say it's 24-inch, but I think it's 23-inch. I could be wrong, but I think the thing that I love is best is their total freedom warranty. What that means, it is a unlimited lifetime free replacement warranty for residential pool owners. That means if you're a residential pool owner, if any part of this net breaks, the net, the rim, the quick clip, the post, anything in it, they will replace it absolutely free, no questions asked. Or if they can't replace that part, they will replace the entire net absolutely free for life. Now, if you are a pool service professional like myself, you get a 50% replacement warranty, which means it's all the same details except 50% off the part or the part itself, or the part that you need to replace. All right, so that's still second to none and industry leading. So that's one of the biggest reasons I love this product so much. Reason number 2 is construction quality. This thing is built so well. Again, I've had this thing for over a year, and I have really abused this. I have beaten this up quite a bit. I do about 20 to 24 pools a day, 5 days a week. And when you're using this net that much, it gets a lot of wear and tear on it. And it is held up remarkably well. If you notice, all the little clips are still intact. These little tabs are still intact. The net is still in good shape, and it just is held up really, really well. So, number 2 point, quality construction, to be sure. The third reason is the net, or the mesh on this net. A lot of pool nets that I've used, they are either too fine or too loose. If it's too loose, you don't pick up enough debris and smaller debris gets through. If it's too fine or too tight, the mesh, then it's really hard to pull it through the pool. And again, when I'm doing 20 to 24 pools a day, 5 days a week, the less resistance I can put on my pool tools, the better, because it just wears me out and it just wears your shoulders out, and pulling that thing through the pool water, it takes a lot of effort. So this mesh is just fine enough to catch most of the smallest debris that I've ever had to deal with, and it still moves while still moving through the pool quite easily. So that's the third reason I like it, is again, the mesh is perfect as far as how tight it is. The fourth reason I like this product is probably one of the biggest reasons, is these things right here. See these little knobs right here? This is their quick release, quick insert tab. And I love these. These are better than quick clips. I don't know if you know, most quick clips, when you pinch the quick clip, you have to pinch it, you slide it in. Sometimes it catches your finger skin, or sometimes it catches the webbing skin on your hand, and it really hurts, and it pinches. Sometimes it can cut it and bleed. This is so cool. You just pinch these 2 top ones that stick out further, pinch those, and these 2 depress as well. It slides into the tube, locks in place, pinch it, slide it out. There's no twisting, no finagling, no getting your fingers pinched. I can tell you this has saved me so much time servicing my pools. It is fantastic. It is one of my favorite features of the pool net and the brush. So one of the things I like to point out about these products is this little QR code that comes on all their packages. If you scan that QR code, it'll link you to their website, which gives you warranty registration information and also some bonus things like how-to videos, things like that, which is really helpful and very helpful. So check that out as well, a little perk that comes with each of the products. Oh, one extra thing that I like about these products is they're all modular, meaning you don't have to replace the entire unit most of the time. If the net wears out, you notice there's a zipper right here. You can unzip that, the net comes off, you can replace the net without having to replace the entire product. If these break here, you can replace the rim. If the quick release stem breaks, you can replace just that stem or this part of it. So again, what does that mean? It means you're using less packaging, so they don't have to package it in something like this. They can send you just the part, which is save on packaging, and that helps the environment tremendously. That's another perk with the products. So there you have it, folks. That is my 1-year follow-up product review of the ProTuff 24-inch pool net or leaf rake. Also, if you want to purchase one of these products, I'll put a link in the description below this video, so you can click on that link and go and order one for yourself. I highly recommend it. Again, with all the perks, especially the unlimited free replacement lifetime warranty for residential pool owners, it is worth the money. You'll never have to buy another one. I hope it made sense. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below this video, or if you'd like, you can email me directly. My email address will come across the bottom of the screen right here. As always, it is kennypoolschool@gmail.com. Once again, kennypoolschool@gmail.com. Thank you again for watching. I want to remind you to like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to check out my membership website, poolschooler.com. And until we meet again, remember to have fun, be safe, and always watch those kids and elderly folk and pets around water. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.